you know, we in Malaysia, we are very blessed and we are cursed at the same time. Because we are actually one of the countries in the region where we have a huge fund to develop startups, SMEs in the country. To be exact, we have 77%. 77% of startup development fund comes from the government. Agencies like Magic, you know, not Magic now, other agencies. But 77% is a lot. But why does that not translate into successful businesses in our midst? It's very simple. It's because government does not have any business in developing businesses, because they're just government. You know, they are there to satisfy a KPI, which is to give out funds. This should be the responsibility of the private sector. Yet this is not what's happening today. The government has taken a huge mantle just to develop startups, which they don't know how to, and therefore we create an environment, a culture where startups just go from agency to get grants. They go to agency to get free grants, and to survive for another year or something like that, and that's it. It's another cycle again and again. So this is ridiculous.
And we call them entrepreneurs instead.
We call it grantpreneurs in Malaysia.
Grantpreneurs. Yeah. And they call us venture capital. No, not venture capital. They call us vulture capitals. So it's a chicken and egg situation.
Yeah. So it's because of this issue that the investor community is scared to invest in our startups. It's a vicious cycle, because they see that the startups are not really serious. They just take money and they splash it on whatever. So investors are very scared to invest. And when they're scared to invest, they don't invest. And this is when our startups get poached by the Singaporeans, the Americans and all this. So this is really just a huge cycle that we need to...
You know, I was in a session project last year. I don't remember where was it. Suddenly during Q&A session, one of the audience